Our relationship with David essentially started with a phone call into the shop, a customer who was inquiring about our product or a couple products for a build that he was taking on. At first, we supported him with valve covers, coolant tank, and some catch cans. Later, as the relationship grew and it developed, we found out that he was building a race truck, his crew cab 6.0, which we are extremely passionate about. And it was at UCC 2018 that I finally got a chance to put a face to that name.
And we decided that we wanted to go fast with it.
There is no right way or wrong way to do this. There's only one way. Screaming down the track until the smell of diesel and rubber and victory fills your lungs. And this, my friends, this is PSP Diesel.